Hi there, Mike and Maria Keiser here. Happy December. We're here to tell you about our December events.
That's right. We have two pretty cool events coming up in December. December 12th is our monthly business collaborative. It's a facilitated conversation we host on a variety of business conversations, this month being around navigating the tax laws to grow your business and grow your personal wealth. And we have a great panel. And then on December 18th, our monthly marketing workshop.
I know, and that is a group of business owners that come together once a month to talk marketing. And this month's topic will be the components of a marketing plan. So how do you get in touch with us? Well, if you look on our tabs, we have events. Look in our events tab and you will find the marketing workshop or the business collaborative.
There you go, and we hope to see you there.
Ciao for now.